Do you want to block unknown messages on WhatsApp? You can stop receiving message from unknown numbers on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To block unknown messages on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the three dots menu at the top right of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Settings. Now, a new settings screen appears. Find and tap on Privacy from here. Scroll down your privacy screen until you find the Advanced option. Once you see it, tap on Advanced. Now, in the new screen, you will see different options. Enable the toggle switch button next to block unknown account messages. Once enabled, any unknown number will no longer be able to send you messages.